Now to the latest in the corporate world, residents of Mukuyu Bay in Migori County have turned to cage fish farming as a result of dwindling fish stocks in Lake Victoria, blamed overfishing. Those keen on cage fishing farming, however, face the challenge of cross to capital to set up the cages. Here are the details of that story and more.
Experts in the local fishing industry say that for one to venture into cage fish farming activities, one needs to have at least 1 million shillings in order to establish one cage, as the equipment requires a lot of money to start, but the returns are good. Farmers are now being urged to embrace cage fish farming if they are to alleviate poverty and create jobs.
As we all know that the natural catch, the fish that was originally in the lake, is becoming less and less. So for the world to continue getting the benefit of protein that comes from fish, then there has to be some alternative production of fish. And cage fish farming has been proven to be one of the most efficient alternative ways of fish production.
Elsewhere, the Kenya Electricity Generating Company, KenGen, and Toshiba Energy Systems and Solutions Corporation have signed a memorandum of understanding anticipating a partnership of operation and maintenance services for geothermal power plants in developing countries, including East African countries, through a combination of KenGen and Toshiba ESS know-how and networks. KenGen Managing Director Rebecca Miano says geothermal energy provides sustainable power supply. So far, Toshiba ESS has delivered 4 sets of 70 megawatt steam turbines and generators for KenGen's All Carrier 1 and 4 geothermal power plants. Finally, Kenya Railways and the Kenya Ports Authority hosted a delegation of business stakeholders from the Democratic Republic of Congo who toured the standard gauge railway facilities as well as the Nairobi and Naivasha Inland Container Depot. The Democratic Republic of Congo is now the 3rd largest market for the port of Mombasa, with a reported market share of 8.2%. Kenya Railways says the visit will boost freight cargo via rail through Malaba to eastern DRC. The team from DRC was impressed by the seamless intermodal transfer of cargo from Mombasa through the Inland Container Depot to the final evacuation points facilitated by smart gates. Alanauko, Prime Edition.